25 years of firefighting experience trying to market the IFEX system worldwide. This is what brought me here. The IFEX system, being designed for professional use, is absolutely safe. By all means, technically no overpressuring is possible, but like with all professional equipment, it needs training. It should not happen, number one. Again, it's part of the training. We can shoot different loads of water, so full shot, half shot, quart shots. By this means we can shoot people from 1 meter distance directly to the body without creating any harm, but training is of utmost importance. The impulse system can be used for any fire type. In some we have to use additives like Class B foam, but the restriction there is only one, which is the reaction of the fire class itself to water. It's a water-based system, so any fires which can be fought with water can be fought with IFEX. The changes to an existing vehicle are minimal, because we use only 6 bar on the water side, and any firefighting truck, for example, has the possibility to provide this 6 bar of water pressure. The air pressure which is used for the impulse shot is just from an air cylinder, so the changes are really minimal. It can be done within half a day's of work. We don't decide the car type. The car type is decided by the customer. Whatever makes the customer feel safe to use, or car he has available, we can design a unit for it. The system is deployed instantly, as we only have to open water valve and an air valve, and that's it. When IFEX is used, water damage can be ignored, because 98% of the water we are bringing into the fire is actively used for firefighting. The other one is smoke damage. Smoke damage is a combination of time and size of fire. So the longer it takes to fight the fire, the more smoke damage you will have. We are minimizing the span of firefighting, thus also minimizing the smoke damages. After use, the system itself has to be cleaned, of course. Then the system has to be charged. So water and air, it's a matter of minutes. There are basically no restrictions regarding storage. It can be stored in UV radiation. It can be stored up to -55 degrees if used with an additive against freezing, of course. In a ready-to-go state, the system can be stored for 1 year without even touching it. After 1 year, it requires the functional test, and that's it. There are no expiry dates on the product. We have a service manual with the product, so once per year it should be checked, function check. Every 5 years a pressure check, and every 10 years a full system check, which can be done by us. We also provide 10-year warranty on the impulse gun. So there is no such thing as an expiry, and we can prove it. We have customers who are running the system, the same system, already for 25 years. Anyone can use it. It does require training, as already mentioned, but after half a day of training, anybody can use IFEX technology for firefighting. Fires in electric vehicles have two sides. One is the actual cause of the fire, and one is the fire. The fire can be fought with IFEX without any issues, as we have already spoken that in live electric environment we can go up to 36 kilovolts. The other part is the chemical chain reaction inside the battery causing the fire, causing the heat. This cannot be fought with IFEX. Absolutely not. There's no doubt about that. But we can tackle the fire, we can control the fire, and we could be able to move the car out of any scenario it might be in. To be a fully certified IFEX user, it takes about 1 day of training. There is no domestic version. We keep the system itself designed for professional and professional use only. So Adam, you are asking about this rapid intervention vehicle, and since we are here, the vehicle is here, just go and make a short walk around. So this vehicle itself, as you can see, it can be driven by any firefighter. You don't need a special license for it. It's not a big truck, it's a small vehicle. Although the firefighting efficiency of this truck, being 100 liters of water on board utilized with the impulse system, we have a firefighting power of 5 tons of water. So 5 tons of water on a small vehicle like this. The impulse gun is placed right here at the back. Why is it not connected? Because it is a dual system. We have the impulse gun situated here, and we have the CAFS gun situated right there. CAFS, compressed air foam system, which is for Class B fires, easy to handle, easy to operate. You just connect and you have a continuous flow system as well. Not only impulse, but continuous flow, if so needed, as well. We have 45 meters of hose. It's a coaxial hose. It's only ½ an inch, so it's super light to move. You connect and you can basically run. The only thing you have to do to start the system is to open these cylinders. It will pressurize the water tank, which is situated behind this screen. It will pressurize the impulse gun or the CAFS gun, and that's it, ready to go in a split second. The truck itself, of course, is not only about firefighting. We do have 2 more options on this one, which is on this side we have a first aid kit. So you get to the scene, because the vehicle is small, you will be at the scene faster. Because the team is small, you will be there again faster. It's all about time. Time is of the essence. Get there quick, get there fast, reach the fire in a different stage, help, evacuate, save people, save lives. That's what it's all about. On the other side, it is the safety part for the user. Of course, if fighting a fire and you see you are in danger of being in a smoky environment, we have full breathing air, 2 breathing air systems, one for the direct IFEX operator and one to assist by all means for rescuing, for helping. Rapid intervention. Rapid intervention is the biggest topic in firefighting currently, basically worldwide. Why? Too many people, too small space. How to get there in a quick way and a safe way, of course. So here, this small vehicle still having firefighting power compared to 5 tons with the conventional system means that we can go quick, we can go old city, we can go where many people are around, we can go into parking garages, even underground parking. All these places we can go quick and still have 5 tons of firefighting power on a small vehicle, which is the most important part if talking about firefighting. Rapid intervention, of course, is not only to get the most efficient system to the scene of the fire quickly, it's also to be quick from arriving until the first droplet of water onto the fire. So now we will show how that goes. You get here, you make your decision, CAFS gun or impulse gun. Do we want to cool? Do we have structural fire? Do we have car fire? Do we have an apartment on fire? We take the impulse gun. Is it more about surface fires, Class B fires in a bigger scale? We can use the CAFS gun, of course. But in this case, I just show you the impulse gun first. You take the impulse gun out like that. You connect the gun to water and air supply. Like that. Safety, very important. Opening up the air supply to the system, opening up water supply to the gun, and air supply to the gun. That's it. If you want to use the caps gun, of course, it's just as simple as with the IFEX gun. You just take it from here, connect water supply and air supply through here and here. So open up water, open up air, and you're ready to go. As you can see, the hose is super light. You just pull, you just walk and open up and attach. That's it. You just saw how quick we can get operational, but of course during this process you are taking impulse gun, you're taking the caps gun. If you're opening the cylinders, you just check here. You see your air pressure on the cylinders, you see the air pressure on the impulse or on the caps gun, and you see the water pressure on the water tank. As well, there is an indicator, so you can see how much water you still have on board, and most importantly, if you want to work with the foam, on, off. That's it. We have arrived to the scene of the fire quickly, safely. We have extinguished the fire quickly, safely. Everybody's happy. Now we just have to rewind the hose reel, which is electric, like this. Like that. Time to grab a beer.